How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where on Tuesdays I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Agate. I am back again showcasing the Agate, which is right here behind me. And if you guys are subscribed, like you should be, then you know that I just showcased this model just a few weeks back. But it was a fan favorite due to the efficient floor plan and the price point. So I'm bringing it back today, but when I bring it back, you know I gotta bring it back in style. So I've changed up the colors and some of the interior features so that way you can see your options here at Recreational Resort Cottages. But starting here behind me, this Agate is 15 feet wide, it's 26 feet long, it's on sale today for $72K. $72,000, you're getting everything you see besides furniture and decorations in this model. So starting here on the exterior of the home, it's got a sweet spiceberry exterior base. We also chose to go with the garlic clove trim, and then we have the Galvalume metal roof. So the exterior siding has a 50-year warranty, the metal roof has a 30-year warranty, because you're here at Recreational Resort Cottages and we're giving you quality construction. And you also asked, Mr. Tiny, please showcase a surround view of the tiny homes that you showcase. Well, guess what? Follow me around and I'll show to you what you're going to get with this particular model today by the name of the Agate. So you can see we've got a few windows up front. We have the transom window up top, bringing in more natural light. The home itself is constructed onto a steel I-beam frame, so it all comes in one piece, delivered directly to your property. This siding, again, I told you, has the 50-year warranty, so you have that quality there. And then on the back of the home, you can see the layout as well. What we add to the model is hurricane straps. So you can see we have hurricane straps here on the back. We also have it pre-labeled for your convenience of a sewer or septic connection. So it comes out right there below, just ties into your septic or sewer on your property. And then we have a 20-gallon electric hot water heater access right here. So that comes standard on all of our models, is 20-gallon. If you want to go gas, you can order your home to have a tankless propane hot water heater as well. But on this model, it's going to be 20-gallon electric. And then right here below, you can see that we have it labeled for your fresh water connection. So your water just ties directly in to this right here. And then as you come around, you can see additional hurricane strapping. And then on the side, this is where we have your AC inverter. So this is going to power your AC and heat mini split units on the interior of your home, which are super energy efficient, and you guys love that. And then as you come around here, you can see we even threw it in a exterior water bib. So that right there, if you need to water your plants, do whatever you need to do, we've got that covered, as well as a exterior electrical outlet. So that way, if you need to plug in your radio while you're working in the yard, or even your electric leaf blower, for those that have it, you've got it covered right there. So that's a quick exterior walk around of this home. Now let me take it inside, so that way you guys can see, when I'm not standing outside of this busy road, how well constructed this home is and how quiet it is when we take it inside. And now we are on the interior of the Agate. And as you can see, the reason why this is a fan favorite is due to the 15 feet in width that you're able to utilize in this floor plan. What's great about that is as soon as you enter the home, you're right here where you have enough space to include things like a full-size couch. You could do a love seat like we have right here, a couple of recliners. You can put a dining table in here if you would like. The options are yours and the options are endless. What's great is that you have, with these double windows up front, you're bringing in some natural light. I have no lights in this home today just because I wanted to showcase, hey, it is 2 p.m., 2:20 p.m. right now, and as you can see, no lights, but you're still able to live comfortably with having the natural light that we provide here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And paired with that is going to be that transom window up front. Not only does that add an exterior curb appeal, kind of break up the roof line for you, but on the inside, it opens up the interior ceiling for you and then allow, of course, that natural light to pour in. And as you can see here, just with this space that you have, you're able to utilize things like right here across. We chose not to include an interior entertainment center, so we've omitted that for you today, but that way you can place your TV right there. If you wanted to bring in some small furniture like we've done here, you're able to display that with ease. We also have your mini split AC and heat system, which is controlled by remote right there up above. And then right here in the center, you can see that we have the 3-blade ceiling fan with the nickel finish and black blade. So that is a great option here. But what I love about this floor plan is that you can lead right from the living area directly over to the kitchen. Normally, we would include an island in here, maybe on wheels. We just wanted to open this space up for you so that way you can sit there and bring your vision to light. You could sit there and get a drop leaf table. You could do a small bistro table over here to the side. But even paired with that, you have 3 pantry doors right here. So that way your canned goods, anything that you need can go right over there to the side. And we've chosen to go in this model with the Creston oak cabinets. We've paired that with the nickel bar pools. We've also thrown in the gray elm mosaic backsplash paired with the drama marble countertop. So all of that goes together and complements everything, even down to the flooring, which we have going throughout the home. No carpet in here. This is going to be the Piedmont flooring going throughout the entire home here. And as you can see, we have the 2-basin stainless steel sink with the window up above. We have the 4 drawers down below, and then we've chosen to go with the black appliances. In this model, they are electric. If you choose to custom order, you can go gas, shall you choose to. But in this model, we have the smooth top, the microwave, and the side-by-side fridge with ice in the door. Now follow me on down, and you'll see as we make our way down that we already have the space etched out right here for your stackable washer and dryer. So that way you can add in a front load, a top load, whatever option you would like. And then right here it leads into the bathroom. And as you make your way into the bathroom, we have additional storage space with the built-in linen cabinet sitting on the countertop. We chose to continue that drama marble countertop going throughout, even over the toilet. So that way people, they don't think about small things like that. If we chopped it off right here, that's fine, no problem with that, but why not extend it so you got extra decor space, extra storage space. It's 399 square feet, so you got to utilize it where you can. And then right up here above, we have the small opening window right here, so that way it brings in some more natural light. And then right here to the back, we're going to have the fiberglass 1-piece shower. So what's great about that is ease of being able to get in. You can see, I tell you all the time, I'm over 6 foot. So that way you can see the abundance of height that you have here for people of all sizes and height. So right here behind me, also you'll see that we have the transom window. We're bringing in that just because we can. Why not put a window in there just to open up this space? And then as we make our way out, you can see right here with the pocket door, we're gonna open that leads into your bedroom. And what's great about this floor plan is with it being the 15 wide, you can actually accommodate a king size bed. What's awesome is that if you put a king size bed in here, you even have space on each side for nightstands in a 399 square foot tiny home. Where did they do that at? Recreational Resort Cottages. And then we have 2 clear story windows right here behind me, which can open there to bring in some air flow if you would like, but you can also just have the natural light pouring in if you do not want to utilize this ceiling fan light here in the center. But what's I love about this floor plan specifically is a lot of times you see, if you're subscribed like you should be, we have the double closet with a dresser. This time we chose to go with a full closet and a dresser to the side. What's great about that is behind these bifold doors, you have your full closet space here. And this is in a tiny home. In a tiny home right here that you can utilize this space here, and then it closes back right here with the bifold door. And then you have your 4 dresser drawers here, and then just additional space up above for you to store belongings and things like that. And then directly across, we already have it mounted right here For your TV jack and outlet, so if you want to have your bed on this side, put your TV there, that is your option. If you want to put your bed on the front wall, there's another TV jack right here behind me, and then paired with that, you're going to have another mini split AC and heat system, super energy efficient, but that way if you're in your bedroom at night, you get a little warm, turn it on, you got that AC blowing in. And then right here, we even have your electrical panel box covered right here with a crescent oak cabinet, just for pizzazz. But right here in this model, it's a 100 amp electric service that will be hardwired into your electric pole on your property. Or if you wanted to go with a 50 amp service, that is an option with a pigtail. Now follow me on out, and we lead right back into the living area. And you can see just the functional flow of this model goes a long way. And that's what I love so much about the Agate. And this is a model that I can tell you that a lot of clients anywhere from 18 years old to 80 years old have purchased from me for a multitude of purposes, whether it's a mother-in-law cottage, father-in-law cottage, a guest quarters on your property. If you're getting temporary housing while your house is getting built, this is a great option for you. And for those younger adults, fresh out of high school, fresh out of college, do not want to throw their money away down the drain by renting for year after year, you purchase this right here, you actually have an asset that you're paying towards and that you own. So that way, if you ever want to go to a larger home, you have this. You can sell this, you can move this out onto a secondary residence. You could have this as a guest quarters, or for my entrepreneurs, you can rent it out. So that is plenty of options that I want to just throw out there for you when people enjoy this channel. Not only am I providing housing options, but I'm providing plenty of options for plenty of people. So tiny homes are and can be for everyone. So right here in the Agate, I just want to showcase that to you today with this particular model. Again, the dimensions of this home is 15 feet wide, 26 feet long, and it's on sale today for $72K. So $72,000, you get everything I've showcased today besides furniture and decor. And if you enjoyed this model, please let me know right now. Run down to the comment section. Let me know what your favorite feature of the Agate was today. Let me know if this is a great price point compared to some of the models that I showed that we add a little bit more upgrades to, but this is a great price point and super efficient. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Subscribe like you should be, and you're part of the family. Also, leave a thumbs up and a like, and that way I know to keep these videos coming week in and week out. And also, if you want to contact me about purchasing the Agate, run on over to Instagram right now at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny, and you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Agate as well as hundreds of other tiny homes directly off of my Instagram, and I would love to help you today. So again, I want to thank you for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.